Welcome back, Scent Squad, and we'll see here with a fragrance review for you for our Gucci Flora Gorgeous Orchid fragrance. This is the new 2024 fragrance. Now, I went through Sephora and I'm like, I need something just like a little different to kind of spice it up. And I ended up with this. Now, this fragrance is super duper sweet. So if you're not a sweet fragrance gal, you can go ahead and set this to the side. This is for those who love like those overly sweet scents. Now, when I smelled it, immediately I wanted it. But I didn't want to make an emotional buy, so that's why I didn't commit to the full size bottle, but I got the travel size version of it in this cute little tiny box. Now, when I smelled the fragrance, there was something about it that was a little bit familiar, and then I realized after I bought it and smelled it a little bit that it's most definitely giving devotion vibes, right? The only difference between our Gucci Gorgeous Orchid and Devotion is that Devotion is definitely giving, though it's very sweet, it's giving more of like the creamsicle orangey type vibe, right? This right here, and it's a little bit more refined. This, on the other hand, reminds me of something like slightly more tropical. Like it's not giving orange creamsicle, but it's definitely giving like summertime, springtime, daytime vibes with this fragrance, but still something that's very like beach-like. It has top notes of just basic vanilla, which is very warm and creamy, followed by vanilla orchard, and rounding off with the base note of ozonic notes. So like that nice fantasy airy scent, that's what we're going to get here at Dry Down. Now, our fragrance here is going to last anywhere between, I want to say 6 to 7 hours, at least for me, on skin. As far as sillage projection, I will say this. It is most certainly, I want to say it's ready without the bubble, like outside of the bubble of your body, but also I don't feel like it's a full room filling scent. So anywhere between like the bubble and slightly bigger than that area, it radiates very, very well. A little bit goes a long way. So this is not a fragrance that you want to like bathe in, because you know I will bathe in my fragrances. This is not her. You do not need a lot. Would I buy the full size version of this? Probably not. I'm more than satisfied with the travel version because, again, it's definitely giving devotion vibes. And when I went in there, I'm like, I don't want to buy something just based on me shopping emotionally, because I want to expand more of my niche fragrance line, and I already have a ton of designers, so I want to go more towards niche. If you like sweet fragrances, you want something that's going to last for a while, you need maybe like a cutesy vacation scent, I feel like this could be a nice fragrance option. Is it a good blind buy? I would say definitely try the sample before you commit to anything larger. The price point for it is, it's fine. I don't feel like if you buy it and you hate it, it's a huge hit. This travel size was, I think, like $39, and the larger size, a couple of ounces, is like $139, something like that. So it's not bad at all. But I would say try the travel size before anything. As far as occasions, I feel like this fragrance could be good for a variety of different, pretty much simple occasions, whether I'm running errands, because you know I'm gonna go ahead and spray down if I'm running errands. It could be good for brunch or just a variety of simple occasions. Even if you're going to like a little baby shower during the morning, daytime, early afternoon, I feel like this could also be cute for that. It's a nice like breakfast scent if you want to have something earlier on the day. It's something along those lines. So I'm curious, if you have this fragrance, do you love it? Do you hate it? Is it too sweet for you? Is it definitely kind of giving devotion vibes, but like a floral version of devotion? I'm curious to hear from you. If you haven't already, I need you to stop doing what you're doing. Like, comment, and subscribe. And until then, I will see you in the next video. Toodaloo, Scent Squad.